So welcome you all to the next video lecture, deleting a node at specified position in doubly linked list. Alright, how can I able to delete an element at certain position in the given linked list means we having n number of nodes present in the given linked list. This is an example. Alright, this is an example. I'm having a 4 node present in the given linked list. So my aim is to delete a position 3. Okay, at third position I'm going to delete from the existing elements. Okay, this position is going to delete. So how can I able to delete means, okay, I have to enter the position, that is enter the position 3. Okay, we are going to verify. I have to terminate this link, that is second node to third node, and then third node to second node. We have to terminate this link, and then we have to make an adjustment from the second node to the fourth node, and then fourth node to the second node. This is an exact possibilities. Then only we have to delete a certain elements from the doubly linked list. Okay, so here we are going to see the pictorial representation. How can I able to delete a certain element in the given linked list? Okay, void is a return type. Delete position is a function name. Int POS position. We are going to enter the position 3, 4, 5, like this goes on, and then we have to create a two temporary pointers, that is temp1 and then temp2, and initialize a temporary variable I, that is return type is integer, and then I'm going to assign temp1 equal head pointer. Okay, if head equal to null, we have to check the first condition, that is head equal to null means the node is empty, you cannot delete any element from the list. Okay, that is list is empty, we cannot able to delete any element from the given linked list. Return means come out of the function. Okay, this is the first possibilities. And second possibility is if there is any element, okay, should be present in the given link. It may be a single element, it may be n number of element, anything else. Okay, we are going to try to eliminate single elements. Okay, that is only one element from the list. Okay, that is else if position equal to 1. Okay, and choice is enter your position to delete in the doubly linked list means I'm going to enter number 1. The first element is going to delete. Okay, in the corresponding scenario, position is equal to 1. Okay, in that time 1 equal to 1. Condition true or false, condition true, and then head equal to temp1 of next. Okay, what is head? Head is 1000. Okay, already teach you that temp1 equal to head. Okay, temp also point to the first node of the given linked list. Okay, because my aim is to delete this position. Okay, that is position equal to 1, and then head equal to temp1 of next. What is temp1 of next? This is temp1 of next is 2000, and then head pointer should be changed into 2000. Okay, head pointer should be changed into 2000, because if you're going to delete means head pointer should point to the second node of the given linked list. What is the second node? That is second node address is 2000. Okay, it should be changed into 2000. So automatically a connection is terminated from this node to this node, and then this link is created from head pointer to the, that is second node of the given linked list. Understand? Head equal temp1 of next, and then my aim is to delete position equal to 1, and the printf first position percentage is deleted, star temp1, free temp1, display list. Okay, so automatically this condition should be eliminated. Okay, how can I able to eliminate it from the linked list means, okay, so free temp1, this element should be eliminated or deleted from the given linked list. Okay, this is the first scenarios, automatically deleted, and then later it's going to move to the next location. Next location means second node. It's going to point to the second node. Okay, here, so I'm going to take another example. Another example means I'm having n number of nodes present in the given linked list. Okay, they're having a 4 nodes present in the given linked list. Okay, head pointer point to the first node of the given linked list. This is the first node. Okay, this is the last node. Okay, each node having elements 10, 20, 30, 40. Alright, here at already said temp1 equal head. Okay, here also temporary one pointer point to the first node of the given linked list. Alright, this plays an important key role. So where we are going to insert, that is where we are going to delete it. Alright, and then else part for I equal to 1, I'm going to give the position. I'm going to delete this node from the given linked list. Okay, so position equal to equal to 3. Okay, position equal to 3. So already assign I equal to 1 and then 1 less than position. What is position? 3. 3 minus 1, 2. Okay, 2. Condition true or false? Condition true. And then temp1 of next. What is temp1? Temp1 is 1000. 1000 of next. 1000 of next is 2000. Okay, so automatically temporary pointer makes an adjustment from the first node to the second node. Okay, what is the second node? That is 2000. Okay, here temp should be changed in temp1 should be changed into 1000 into 2000, and then automatically link is terminated from the first node to the second node. Okay, my aim is to insert in this location because position equal to 3. Okay, we are identified. How can you identify? And then I should be incremented. I should be incremented into 2. Okay, 2 position, that is 3 minus 1, 2. 2 less than 2. Condition true or false? Condition fails. We are identified the exact position using temporary pointer. Alright, have you understand? And then we have to terminate this link and make adjustment from this link to that link, and then from the fourth node to the second node. And then using temporary pointer we have to do it. Okay, already I assigned temp2 equal to temp1 of next. What is temp1 of next? In this position I have to change. Okay, 3000 should be replaced into 4000 here. Okay, in this location, okay, 3000 should be replaced in 2000, then only have to make an adjustments. Okay, first temp2 equal temp1 of next. What is temp1? Temp1 is this 3000. Temp1 of next, then temp1 of next is 2000 points to next, that is 3000. Okay, automatically temp2 is, that is 3000. Alright, here temp2 should be changed into 3000, and then we have to create a pointer from this location to 3000. Okay, we have created. Okay, have you understand? 3000 have created, and then later we have to change a certain link. So how can you able to change the link? Temp1 of next. Okay, have to change this link. Temp1 of next is 3000 equal temp2 of next. What is temp2 of next? Temp2 of next is, it is 4000. Okay, temp1 of next is this pointer location equal to temp2. Temp2 is temp2 3000 of next. 3000 of next is here, that is here temp1 of next is, that is 4000. Okay, automatically this should be changed into 4000. Okay, 4000 means we have to terminate this link, and then we have to terminate this link, and then make a connection from here to in this location. Alright, and second thing, we have to make a connection from here to in this location. Okay, already we having 3000 should be replaced. How can able to replace? Okay, what is the value of temp2? Temp2 is 3000. 3000 of next. What is 3000 of next? 3000 of next is 4000. Okay, that is temp2 is 3000. 3000 of next is 4000. Okay, and then 4000 of previous. What is 4000 of previous? Okay, 4000 of previous is 3000. Okay, in this location I'm going to delete it. Okay, equal to temp1. What is the temp1? What is the value of temp1? Temp1 is 2000. Okay, so automatically this link is changed into link is changed into 2000, and then connection is created from 2000 to in this location. In this pointer, this scenario should be deleted. Okay, there is a no link from here. Okay, because this does not point to that location, and then here also does not point to any location because we are already created. So 4000 points to, that is, this is next field, points to last node, and then 2000 points to this node. Okay, that is here going to point to the second node of the given linked list. So there is no link from, there is no link from that node to that node. So automatically temporary pointer points to which location? 3000. Printf %d position, %d is deleted. What is position? Position is 3. Okay, the third position element. Start temp2. What is start temp2? Temp2 is 3000. 3000 is 30. Okay, the third position element 30 is deleted from the given linked list. Automatically there is no connection from one location to another location. We have created a link from second node to fourth node and fourth node to second node, and then freeze a dynamic allocation, memory allocation or deallocation automatically done, and then we have inserted a temporary pointer temp2. Okay, this node is now deleted from the given linked list. Okay, this is the way we have to delete from the given linked list. Okay, so thank you for